Welcome to the channel. Alright, so this is a little project I've been wanting to do for a long time. Uh, Basically, I want to build my son his own ride on Land Rover 90. So I've started doing drawings and things. Hadn't really thought to record this, and then was like, well, why not make it into a series and you can follow along? So the plan is to make a proper scaled down version of a 90 that you can ride about. I'm thinking of using a mobile scooter, maybe a golf cart as a donor vehicle. Haven't really thought that far. Yeah, just trying to get some ideas as I go along. In this first part, we're just getting some basic sketches to work out the size and general layout. Not getting technical yet. Just a feel for how it might all come together. In part two, I plan to do proper drawings, like working drawings, and potentially include the steering, the chassis, etc., everything like that. I haven't figured out if I need to get the donor vehicle first. That actually probably would make sense. At work, I've got access to stuff like 3D printers, flat cutters, which will mean I'll be able to cut panels, and I might make it out of ply. Haven't decided. There's even a CNC machine which I've no idea how to use. Figure it out if I need to, I guess. And then part three, I was thinking I might 3D print a small prototype version, just to check everything looks right before starting the full build. Feel free to leave any helpful tips you might have on this project, materials I should use, etc. Maybe the 3D printed one could be made into a little RC car. No idea about RC stuff. Always looks fun though. that's it for part 1 of this Mini 90 build. Got the first sketches down, plans starting to take shape. There's still a long way to go, but it's really looking like a fun little project. Next time we'll move on to the detailed drawings, the chassis, the steering setup, and how everything is going to fit together. Hopefully I might be able to get a donor vehicle by then. Hope you've enjoyed following along. Hope you subscribe to get the next episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in part 2.